Just like anything, your price range fluctuates with the repair you're trying to fix. The polyjacking cost can go up depending on how much we have to recover, how far the driveway, garage, anything that is settled is down, how big the void is underneath it before we start the process, and how heavy it is when we start to recover. If you have a 8 to 10 inch slab, it's going to take more material to gain that pressure weight to lift versus it is a 4-inch sidewalk. With polyjacking, we offer a 5-year warranty with all of it, and it's included in the price as long as the maintenance is done around the area that we work. If we lit everything up to plumb and the grading's taken care of, the gutters are doing what they're supposed to, the warranty stays intact. Not necessarily everybody uses the same. The material is a little different, but it's more of the person doing it. If they don't catch the ratio and it's off, you're going to use more material. That has nothing to do with the homeowner itself, but it usually goes off of square footage. If you have a 4x4 area that just needs void fill, you have a minimum of $1,000 just to fill that void, because we have to get the trucks and everything in that aspect. If that 4x4 area is dropped 4 inches, it's going to be around $1,700 because we have to lift it 4 inches. We have to take the concrete saw out, saw cut it away from whatever area we're trying to recover, and then we have to seal the cracks around it so the water doesn't get under there and cause the issue to come back.